Fix in 5. P0573. Cruise control, brake switch a circuit high, signal voltage exceeds norm. If your scanner threw this, here's exactly what's going on and what to do. Not urgent today, but it won't fix itself either. First, the symptoms. Cruise control inoperative or disabled, check engine light illuminated, brake light may function abnormally, possible brake system warning light, no response from cruise control stalk. Now the most likely causes. Brake switch short to power or high voltage condition. Faulty brake light switch assembly. Wiring harness short to power in brake switch circuit. Corroded or damaged connector pins. Failed switch contact closure logic. What does it cost? Roughly €25 to €75 doing it yourself, or €65 minus 115 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. How to fix it? Replace brake light switch assembly. Repair or replace damaged wiring harness in brake switch circuit. Clean and reseat brake switch connector. Inspect and repair corroded connector terminals. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. People also ask, is it safe to drive with P0573? Short trips may be possible with P0573 active, but extended driving is not recommended. A medium-severity fault like this can worsen over time and lead to additional damage or failures. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0573. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.